Hey everybody, this is Quick, back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be exporting the client. This isn't going to be the last episode. My chair is being very loud now. This isn't going to be the last episode, just going to because my next episode is probably launcher, so I might as well get this out of the way first. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to leave this in the description. Go down to just search for 131, go to here, and download, whatever computer you have. I have 64-bit, so I'm going to do that. Just download it. You are gonna have to sign up, so yeah, that's if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. And okay. Apparently I already have it, so yeah. Then you're just gonna you're gonna install it. So JDK 131. That's pretty much it. And then it's going to take 7 years to boot up. You're just going to click next. Next. As you can see, it'll say destination folder. It might already have this installed, so I'm just installing it again. But yeah, then just click that destination folder. The default one will work fine, hopefully. As you can see, it's just been installed. Now you're just gotta go to this PC, local disk, program files, and Java, JDK 1.8131. Now we're going to go into click search. You're going to search environment variables. Go to environment variables, and this might not exist. I already have it, but if it doesn't, down in system variables, I'm going to click new Java _ home, and you're going to want to copy this folder and put it in there. And now we're going to go into command line and do echo Java _ home, and it didn't work. I forgot to click OK. So yeah, we're gonna try that again. So we're gonna do echo Java home, and as you can see, that is correct. Restart Eclipse. That's nice. Alright, anyway, now we're going to go right click this, and you're going to want to go to client, build path, configure build path. Now, where is it? It might be in libraries. Yeah, this will probably work. So you're going to want to click this, and you're going to want to click edit. You're going to click alternate Jerry, install Jerry's, and add. Standard VM should work. Jerry home. Wait, it's supposed to be JDK. It probably doesn't matter. Standard VM. That. And yeah, that'll work. Finish. And do that. Apply and close. Finish. And you just want to make sure that here it says, oops, I did this in the wrong place. I did, didn't I? Properties. Yep, here you're wrong. Make sure you have that. Apply and close. Now it's going to take a minute to build. If it doesn't take a minute to build, then you did something wrong, because it needs to like rerun, but I don't even know. Anyway, just we're going to run real quick, not debug, because that could swarm us with Windows asking us to open the debug panel, and that's really a pain in the butt. Also, I was told to stop swearing in my videos. Okay, it crashed. Now, was this my fault? Was it the JDK's fault, or was it my fault? Because it looks like it was my fault. This is what we're going to do. We're going to comment that out just because I'm pretty sure that's the problem. I'll fix that in a minute. But I think just the problem is that exists. Yep, alright, works fine. Let's go into single player match. You can probably, if you can hear the sound, it means the library is loaded. Okay, maybe something did happen. Problem is that I don't actually care, so I'm going to just Alt F4. And alright, now we're going to right click on source. We're going to click export, Java, jar, click next here. uncheck client and just click source. Why is my mouse going off? Jar file. We're going to go into tutorial. Let's create a new folder called export. We're gonna just call this tutorial.jar. Yeah, all this should be correct. Just click next, next, finish. And there we go. Now if we go into tutorial, click that's the wrong one, go to export, open tutorial, open with WinRAR, you can see this is all here. So now we have to do a few things because it gets annoying. So we're going to go into lib, and first thing we're just gonna copy all this, we're just gonna drag it in that. If you don't have any libraries for whatever reason, you don't have to do this, I guess. Did I just do org.json twice? Oh no, I didn't. Wait, did I? No, I did not. Okay, so yeah, you're just gonna drag it in. Backmath. If you have any other libraries, you're also going to want to do that. Don't drag in the meta.inf file. You're going to want to keep this one for now. Anyway, then we're going to, after out of tutorial, we're going to want to go into jars, then libraries, IO, Netty, Netty-all, that one, yeah. And we're just going to want to drag that in. This is, because sometimes it just doesn't detect Netty from Maven, and I don't know why. Nobody that I've talked to knows why, but it's just how it is. But now, anyway, I can't talk. We're gonna want to go into your app data folder and go into .minecraft. Go to versions 1.8.8 or whatever version you're running this in, and you're going to want to just go into assets Minecraft on both of them, and you're just gonna want to drag all of this into here. You can also technically use a different texture pack. If you wanted like to use your custom texture pack only in your client, you could just put the assets in this folder and it would probably work okay. I've never tried. I'm sure it works fine. This is gonna take 7 years though, so. Okay, it's taking a little faster than I thought. Alright, now we're just gonna go out here, out to all of them. You can delete the start.class here, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna go to pack.png. You can, oh, by the way, you can also use 7-zip for this. It doesn't matter that much. That should be just about it. So yeah, first we're actually just gonna want to copy this 1.8.8 folder, or not folder, JSON, and we're gonna want to go to tutorial, export, and we're going to paste that in there, and we're going to rename it to tutorial. And now we're going to open it. You see where it says, I probably should have just grabbed a different one. Yeah, it was not a good idea. Let me grab one from the internet real quick. So this is just from Eric Gold. I've stolen his code multiple times for the tutorials, all for kind of obsolete stuff, but you know, we're stealing it again. Suck it. I'm sorry, that was mean. I love you, Eric. And just copy that all in from here. I'll leave it in the description, obviously, and we're going to want to name this to tutorial. And you can also change stuff like the game directory, the assets directory. I'll tell you more about that in the next episode. Yeah. You can also add other libraries through this, but don't do that. I would recommend not fiddling with that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's just throw this in a file called tutorial. Not a file, a folder. And we're gonna copy it because we don't want to just move it. And new window, go into app data. Minecraft versions, and we're just gonna paste that in there. And then we're going to open our Minecraft launcher. We're going to go to New Installation and scroll down until you see Tutorial. It's probably going to be around the bottom or near 1.8. As you can see right here, Tutorial. You can name this Tutorial. And there's just all the way at the bottom should say Tutorial. Also, something I recommend doing, go into Settings, turn this on, keep the launcher open, and open Output Log. Then you can debug much better. Anyway, just launch Tutorial. And I'm going to full screen this so the thing full screens. What's it called? The output log. There's a good chance that this is going to crash because I did something wrong. So it didn't immediately crash, which is always a good thing. It seems that there is an error, but yeah, it seems to be working fine. Let's load into a game and see what happens. Wow, okay. So if I open this, click GUI, I can turn everything on, and then I can move the stuff around. And now if we go into our .minecraft folder, we can see the tutorial folder is not there. Oh, it's because it loads at the end. And my dad just came out of his office. It's gonna be a minute. Yeah, so there you go. That's how you export it. Next video is gonna be something that everybody wants. And I'm actually gonna start recording it right after I edit this. But yeah, you can also obviously go into servers with this. Such as, I don't know, what's the server I'm not banned on? Yeah, let's go into Anti-AC. We can. Uh-oh. Okay. So it seems that I've messed something up. Alright, let's see. Okay, I found what I messed up. So, delete. Always delete your session changer thing before you export. So what this is doing is that Minecraft is launching with my account, but it's as the client starts up, which is after the launcher logs in with my account, it's logging into a cracked account called Quick as Gay. That's why I am there. So yeah, remove that and it should work fine. How long have we been recording for? 14 minutes, not bad. So that should be it. As you can see, I just quit it and it created the configuration file. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I very much appreciate it. And we're just gonna quickly, there we go. Or we're gonna comment that actually. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Thank you.